Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the three different types of notifications from the government university. That is assistant professor notification, non-teaching posts, and the online workshop with certificate. So these are the three topics we are going to see right now. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Shri Vishwakarma Skill University. So in this university that I am going to show you the assistant professor notification as well as a non-teaching post and the online workshop with certificate brochure, all these things. So first we will see the recruitment notification. It is from Palwal. So online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the teaching posts through direct recruitment up to 18th 12 2020. That is 18th 12 2020 is the last day. And coming to the subjects here, total 21 subjects are there. They are mechanical, civil, computers, electronics, electrical, physics, mathematics, English, environmental studies, chemistry, remote sensing, public health, food technology, agriculture science, hotel management, economics, statistics, commerce management, medical laboratory technology, music, political science, physical education and psychology. So here as per the caste category also the number of posts are mentioned here, so you may check down. And the opening date is 13th November 2020 and the closing date is 18th December 2020. So after successful submission of online application form, the filled application forms must be printed and signed on each page by the applicant. Such signed copy of application form along with all supported self-attested document should be sent to the following address mentioned by 28 December 2020. And eligible conditions are to the skill assistant professor for mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics, computer science and engineering and food technology. The BE, BTech, BS and ME, MTech, MS or integrated MTech in relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees. So here for these candidates, the UGC NET qualification is not required. And coming to the skill assistant professor management, here the bachelor's degree and master's degree in business administration and 2 years of professional experience after acquiring the degree of a master's degree. So here also the UGC NET qualification is not at all required. And coming to the skill assistant professor, for these departments, master's degree plus UGC NET qualification is required. If the NET qualification is not there, NET SLET or SET, then PhD is mandatory. Okay. So these are the things regarding the qualifications of the different departments, guys. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video, that means this PDF. So you can carefully check down all the details. Okay. And while coming to the important details, here how to apply means I already told you, and it is the selection procedure. And coming to the selection criteria, the selection of the shortlisted candidate will be based upon the written test, technical skills and the interview. So these are the marks divisions here. And coming to the fee, for general category 1000 rupees, for others 250 rupees, SC, backward class, ex-serviceman, women and EWS, and the physically disabled exempted from the fee. Okay. And now coming to the non-teaching posts. So this PDF link also I will provide in the description box of this video. So here also the 18th December is last date for apply, and the name of the post: Controller of Examination, Deputy Training and Placement Officer, Deputy Director for Industry Integration Cell, and Public Relation Officer, Executive Engineer, Residential Medical Officer, Hindi Officer, Law Officer, Assistant Registrar, a guest house hospitality manager and the superintendent. So here also the application mode is same thing, the online, and then you have to send the necessary documents to the given address provided there. And these are the instructions given here, so you may carefully go down all these instructions. And coming to the application fee, 1000 rupees for general category, and for these categories 250 rupees, and the person with disabilities are exempted from the examination, application fee, guys. Okay, so these are the details regarding. And here coming to the experiences or the qualifications required, here the given the controller of examination. So these are the qualifications required, and the deputy training officer, the master's degree and 9 years of teaching or industry or training experience. Okay, and coming to the deputy director, these are the qualifications. So you may check down that. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. And coming to the workshop, so it is a brochure of the workshop. So Sri Vishwakarma Skill University, Millennium India Education Foundation. So first national digital workshop on Sharada script language. Okay, so the candidates, if you are not belongs to this one, then please share this link to the candidates who know, to your friends or colleagues who belongs to this department. Okay, so here the course structure and everything is given, and the e-certificate of participation will be given to all participants, speakers, experts, panelists, and the delegates, to all these people given. And the program schedule is also mentioned here: day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6 and day 7. So total it is 1 week workshop, guys. And the candidates who are interested here, the registration details are provided: 300 rupees for students, and for others 500 rupees. The NEFT transfer to Millennium India Education, here the bank details are also given here. And all registered delegates should inform about their registration by the email, and here the WhatsApp number is also provided. Okay, so these are the details regarding the workshop and the non-teaching positions and the teaching positions. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So waiting for your support. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1. that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here, by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.